Curly Willow Acres. And if you are a subscriber or been here before, welcome back. I am showing the renovation of my new home. Well, not new, it's not new, it's a new to me home. And it's a little smaller home, but we're having fun with it. And I promised to show you the kitchen area, some of it. I'm going to show you me doing the dining room wall and the kitchen backsplash, which I did get finished finally. And then I have, next week will be the painting of the cabinets and hopefully, prayerfully, the countertop. I'm partnering with a company called Boutique, and I'm going to be putting wood countertops on that. Kind of wood countertops. It's a wood, it's a product that's 60, I think it's 60 or 66% wood filler. So it's gonna, I've looked at all the reviews and stuff, and it looks really good. So we're gonna see how that goes, but that's next week. Hopefully I can get that done this week. We've been doing a little bit of landscaping, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, all that. Plus trying to get some new plants, because that's the fun part, going to the garden store and getting plants and everything. But I hope you're all doing good. There's